Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a nice, delicious barbecue meatloaf. First thing we gotta do is get a cup and a half of ketchup into this here saucepan. And then we're gonna add a cup of brown sugar. And then we're gonna need about a quarter cup of molasses. And then we want a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we want a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. If I butchered that, I don't care. And then we want a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we want to add about a half a teaspoon of paprika. And of course, a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Then you want to grab a whisk, mix everything together, and then simmer everything on medium-low to low heat for about 18 to 20 minutes. All right, let's make the meatloaf. Okie dokie. Now, as you can see here in the bowl of a stand mixer, I have a pound and a half of ground beef. I just added a cup of breadcrumbs and a cup of milk. Also, I added 1 egg that I beat. And now we want to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. All right, in this little bowl, I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then you just want to lock this into place and spin this around on a low speed till everything is just mixed together. And then get the old handy-dandy meatloaf pan out and kind of just press this meatloaf down into the pan. Get the shape you want. Okay, as you can see here, we got our meatloaf in the pan, ready to go. You should be preheating the oven to 350 degrees. And we're just gonna paint some of that barbecue sauce on our meatloaf. And again, reserve the extra sauce for when you serve this, because it goes great. Alright, meatloaf's been sauced, so pop it into the 350 degree oven and bake for approximately 70 minutes. Or until the loaf reads 165 internal. And after 70 minutes, our meatloaf is done. And I couldn't wait. I had to try a piece. It was delicious. So that's barbecue meatloaf. Done.